And to the rescue. Here I am. Want you to know, y'all.
Can I film?
Where I stand. What? Quiet on the set. Quiet on the set.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Today in this video, I am reviewing some wigs from, I think it's Nutique. I'm not sure if this is a branch from a bigger line or if this just is a new wig line. But anyway, I am going to be reviewing two wigs for you guys from this collection. I have this one and I have this one right here, Miss RIRIA, I think that's her name, in the color 1B30. And she's cute. And I'm excited about this one because I have seen the wig Mayberry. Yeah, I think it's Mayberry. I was going to get that wig. Then I saw this pop up and I'm like, you know what? Let me try this because it kind of looks the same. So I'm real curious to see that. If you're new here, consider sticking around. I do a lot of wig content on this channel. And I don't know what I do. I just do. No, I do a lot of wig content, sometimes skin, sometimes makeup, whatever I feel like doing. Hit that subscribe button and make sure your notification bells are on, y'all, because I don't know what I'm going to post. I pretty much upload as I can, and I'm trying to be consistent, but consistency is what it is to you. Let's jump into it. All right. We are doing this half wig thing. How are you guys doing? I am feeling good, y'all. I'm feeling so good, and I just thank God every day that I'm feeling good. And I just wanted to say that because life is a struggle, y'all. Like, it's a struggle, but this has been a good year for me mentally. Sometimes you just gotta say thank you, God. I'm just grateful. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for my job. I am just grateful to be feeling good. Okay, today I have these new wigs from, I don't know how to say it. So I never reviewed a wig from this line before. I think it's called Nutique. I've been wanting to review this line. I'm not sure who is over this line. I don't know. I think somebody told me before, but I kind of forgot. But it says it's BFF collection. This is a U-part wig. I have two wigs for you guys today, okay? So I have this U-part straight wig in Leandria and RIRIA, I think. That's how you say it. Straight curly. That's who I have. So this first one is in 1B. I got a straighter one because I recently did review for you guys from a different collection, from the Janet collection, that half wig. And I was like, let's just see the options. Let's see the differences, and I wanted to bring you guys options. So this is what it's looking like out the pack. She's really flowy and cute. It has a nice like yaki texture to it. It's kind of thin. Compared to Janet collection, the one that I reviewed, I think they might be like the same density. I'll compare it in actually, let me see. I feel like the Janet collection one, is this thicker? Might be slightly. They're like the same. They're the same. Once you comb them out and they fluff out, it seems like they get bigger. So it feels the same. Let's just go with that. This is what the cap is looking like. You're going to get these clear strings in here. You just cut those off. That's just for packaging sake. And that's that U part right in the middle, right there. That's why I just left out the hair right here, because I'm going to blend it with my hair. The cap, it looks like the combs are going to fall like on the side here, on your head, like the side here, one here, one here. One right here, right behind. Actually, these are clips. Oh, okay. So I'm over here making up stuff. The combs are going to fall right here. It's a comb right here, right under here. And then you're going to get some clips right in the top of where that U is. So you're going to get some clips right here like that. Like, these clips are pretty cool because you just clip it on. You could cut them out if you want. Do what you want to do with your wig in your life. For the sake of the video, I'm going to use the combs because I'm not wearing it long term. And this is what the cap is looking like. She's pretty stretchy. Okay, Nutique. It says human hair premium mix. They're not saying blends anymore. I noticed with the Janet collection, it said the same kind of thing. But I think when they say mix, I'm guessing you're mixing it with synthetics. So it's a human hair blend. Just say that. I don't know. They trying to be fancy like Target. They tell you how to style it, y'all. They tell you, and I totally did not do that. I absolutely did not do that. They tell you, I guess, how to prep your hair. It looks like you're supposed to leave like a U right there and then some for the edges out, but I didn't do that. Let me see. I still have some. I have some I could pull. See, reading. That's why you're supposed to read the instructions. It says like leave like some like that. I guess so you can blend it better. This is all blending purposes. My edges are pretty thin, so it's like a T part we're gonna do. Let's put this on. I'm gonna play some music, just brush her out real quick, and then come right back. So initially putting on this wig, it was a little tricky for me because I didn't realize like how big it was in the front. As far as the clips, I suggest going in as close as possible to that part. If you see how far away it is, and now I'm trying to get it a little closer, that kind of works a little bit better unless your hair is like super thick. But as you see, my hair is kind of thin, so I went in a little bit closer on the other side to the part, and it worked much better like that. So now I'm just brushing it out and adding a little final touches. I went in with my flat iron and my hot comb to match my hair to the wig, and that pretty much was it. All right, so I'm finished with this one, and it was pretty easy. This wig is cute. So my hair is not relaxed, so I'm kind of struggling with keeping my hair wants to revert. I don't know why, but this is a sleek wig. This is definitely more like a natural blown out textured wig. I like it. It's like a yucky wig. But blending it, you know, just keep that in mind as far as your hair goes. It just needs to be straight. As far as the length goes, this is how long it is. I like the bumped ends on this. And I just noticed too, like it has like layers. This is all the hair to the front, guys. Again, this is kind of thin, just like that other one that I reviewed from Janet Collection. It was a little thinner. This is what it's looking like in the back. The density on this is really thin. It's a good everyday density, but it's a little thinner for my liking. I am feeling like a little bit of the tracks in the back here, and my hair is not flat on this wig. Like I just have a ponytail, and you could kind of see it bulging a little bit. You could kind of see it. So unless the hair is in the back, it should be fine, but just keep that in mind that it is a little thinner back here. I wish it was a little fuller in the actual wig as far as the tracks goes, but this is super cute. This wig is like $22, I think, and I see why. The quality of this hair feels really good. Now the density, that's a different story. I wish they would have gave us a little bit more hair, but it works. And I was struggling a little bit with like putting the clips in the front because I haven't done a U part in a long time, but once you line it up right, it's fine. This cap is so big on this wig that I have like so much extra room on this cap. Like I could pull this cap all the way down like right here if I wanted to. And I think that's kind of why it's bulging a little bit, because the cap is really big, but it's good because bigger is better than being too small. And that's pretty much that. Let's jump into the other one. I'm not going to show y'all how I put that on. I'm just going to put it on and come back and wrap this video up.
And to the rescue. Here I am. Want you to know, y'all.
Can I film?
Where I stand. What? Quiet on the set. Quiet on the set.
Okay, guys. So I'm back with this wig. I like her. I love her. I love her. This is the last wig of the day, and we are ending it with a banger, y'all. I am feeling this wig. This is from Nutique. I'm about to get more wigs from this brand because this is a banger. This is $22. Look at me. Look at me. I left a little bit of hair out in the front. I'm trying to figure out how to do this U-part thing where it doesn't look like, you know, I hate seeing U-part wigs and they start right here. I'm trying to bring it as close as possible where it looks natural and realistic, and this is looking really good. I did leave the hair out in the front. Y'all saw how I did with the first one. I think that makes a difference to make it look kind of realistic and natural. I would say put a headband on, but this is different than a half wig. This is a U-part wig. So if you're going to do a U-part wig, it's like, okay, let me try to make it look like a sew-in, you know, with parting it and all that. But you can still put a headband on this, you know, if you want to still just get the wig for the curls and all that jazz. Now, I'm really feeling this texture, y'all. It says human hair premium mix, and this is a good blend. It's a nice, like, yucky, Or this is a nice thick yaki. This is feeling like my natural hair. It feels like I curled my natural hair. This light is so bright. It's getting dark. It's getting dark out there. It feels like I have a blowout and I put rollers in it and I just got out the salon. I'm struggling with my hair right here. It doesn't want to like, it doesn't want to stay. It doesn't want to do what it needs to do. But it looks good. It's blending good. I love the color blend on this, y'all. It's a 1B30 mix, and that 1B and the other one blended with my hair really good. This 1B30 is still blending. Look at that. Like, it's blending so good. I love the way they did the mix of the 30 in there. This one, I must say, compared to the Janet Collection one, y'all, I think I like this one a little bit better. I don't know. I was saying I would like that one, but after doing this U-part one, y'all, I might even have to drop this video before. I don't know. I think I need to edit this video now because y'all need to see this right now. This is so pretty. I love how soft this wig feels. I love the volume. I love the density on this. The straight one, when it's straight, it's kind of harder, but when you get these curls, it makes up for the density. Even though it's like thinner, the curls make up for it. But no, actually, this is a little thicker. This is definitely a little thicker. This is all the hair to the front, guys. And then this is like the hair to the back. I like the way the cap feels on this. Like, everything about this wig is bomb. This is so bomb. Y'all need to get this like yesterday. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. I'm going to get more colors in this. I am. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Let me know if you like this one or the straight one, but I'm feeling this one a little bit more, y'all. I didn't think I would like it, but I like her. I love her a lot. You could even do it to the side, but I'm not messing with this part because these combs are in here, and I'm not. It took a while. It took a while to figure out the clips and the combs and stuff, but once you figure it out, it's good. I'm not sure how I feel about the clips. They can be damaging to your hair, so keep that in mind. But just don't, I think as long as you're not wearing it all the time, you should be fine. But I like it. It's secure and it feels good. It feels really good. Remember how I tell you guys that sometimes I forget to press record or forget to turn on my microphone? Well, this was one of those days. I was like talking and didn't even realize that my microphone was off. So I just went in with a little different hairstyle here. I just clipped it up, but I just had to show you guys how cute it was, and that's that. Drop some comments down below. Let me know which one was your favorite, but this one was definitely mine. I like her. I like her a lot. Make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way out, and until next time, guys, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.